Hey everybody, it's Lisa, Joyfully Art. Gonna make another video today. I'm showing my painting from my last video. It was so bright and beautiful when it was wet, and it dried so dark. So I'm hoping that when I varnish it, the colors will come back out brighter. It has so many cells in it. It's beautiful, it was, but it's very dark. So I'll show it to you after I varnish it. Maybe the colors will pop back out. So that's that. So on with the next. I'm going to do a flower dip. I haven't done one for a long time, or even if I have done one. So we're going to try that. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to use this Tahitian blue as my background. I'm just going to put little dots down here so I know how much paint to put down to begin with. Take that up, get it out of the way for a minute. I could put the paint down. And I have a different, you can see, I have a different thing than my washer pan, because they have raised spots in them. They're not completely smooth. And this is plastic, it's got spots in it. So they're not completely smooth. So I had to use my old one to make it have a smooth surface to dip on. And I'm not sure if this has to be thick, thin. Like I said, I don't think I've ever done this. But I think it was Fiona that I was watching, and she made some beautiful ones. So you need to check her out. I need some more paint. You need to check her channel out and see how she does it. Because I'm not going to guarantee mine's going to turn out. Hers were gorgeous. She did a series of 5 in her video, and they were beautiful. Okay. I hope that is sufficient. Like I said, I have no idea. Off a little bit. I'm gonna give this a quick torch. Get some air bubbles in it. Not very much because it's on plastic. Okay. Oops. There's my dogs barking, as you can hear. My husband's yelling at him. Back over there. I will list all my colors. In the description box below. So you'll know exactly what I'm using here. Oops. There. They're all acrylic paints. I'll put another one right here. A lot of room right there. the white is a metallic. It's a metallic white. And there's no silicone in any of my paints. Naples yellow kind of went wonky in some of these. Okay, and let's do some green. Oh, come on, there we go. Gosh, this is for some foliage. Don't want to get too much. Okay. Hands for looking at. Did forget one thing. You do want to have some kind of little tool. This is just a rubber catalyst thing I picked up. So you can rub the back of your canvas, but you don't want to do it too hard. And then you'll just smear it. So you want to try and get it kind of even on here. Just plop it down like that. And then just slightly go across. Try not to move your canvas too much. You want to have a gentle touch. Okay. And then I think you just want to pick straight up. Pretty nice. Got some white spots that I need to fill in. How's that? That's not too bad. It's kind of hard to hold. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing or not. I'm just taking some paint off the bottom there and filling in some of the white areas that didn't get touched very much. Maybe it'd be easier if I just do this. There we go. That's much easier to fill in. And I'll deal with the sides off camera. So what do you think? That's kind of pretty. Kind of pretty. Let me give it a torch. Keep my fingers out of it. Help. How's that? Kind of pretty. Set it right over here. And I got an 8x10 ready. So I want to make one more. Put some more of this down in places where I scooped it out. I'm going to make one more so that it'll have a, that's not the right color. Get with it, Lisa. I don't need as big of one because I just have an 8x10. I wanted to make a partner with a smaller one to go with it. Green. There we go. Okay, I think I'll go this way with this one. Let's try it right here. Go. Get my spreader. Okay, are we ready? Let's try this one. Here we are. How's that one? This one turned out better, I think. Just one little bald spot right here. Run this down the edge. There we go. Okay, what do you think? There's close up for you on this one. And I think I'll just, don't know where I'll put it. Let me bring this back a little bit more. There we go, we're done with that. I thank you for watching. Turned out pretty good for the first time I ever did that. All my details will be in the description below, the colors I used, how you can get a hold of me. If you see a painting you'd like to purchase. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire. All my paints are acrylic, and I've been doing this for about a year or a little more. Sure would appreciate it if you share with your family and friends. Let me get the other one up here and give you a close-up of it. There's this one. Sure did turn out pretty, I think. Put it back. Everybody stay safe. Gloves off here. And as always, please have a great day.